This tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys about exception handling. Now what exception handling is pretty much a way to handle errors. Now an error and an exception are the exact same things. So pretty much why would we want to handle an error? Well, when the user does something they're not supposed to do, we don't want to get an error, or else the program would just shut down and it'll stop running. We want a way to do something like if they divide by 0 or click something they're not supposed to click, then we don't want the program to shut down. We want to be able to tell them they're wrong and tell them to fix their mistake. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use scanner. So I'm going to go ahead and import java.util. I'll just import everything because I'm lazy. And now let's just go ahead and let's begin making our system. So scanner, I'm going to name it input equals new scanner, and as parameters type system.in. And now we have an input variable called scanner. So what do we want to do? Well, let's just go ahead and make a little program to divide by two numbers. So system out print line, and go ahead and print just give them a prompt like enter first num. And now for the first num, just put int num1 equals input dot next int, bam. And now whatever they type for the first number is going to be the, let's see, numerator. And now let's go ahead and copy this, duplicate it, and go ahead and set this equal to num2 and give them a new prompt and our second number. And now let's go ahead and make a new sum equal to num1 divided by num2. So now we got a little program if we go ahead and print out the sum. So system out print line, and go ahead and print the sum, and we'll run this and test it and make sure it's working. So why does it say num1? Oh, here we go. So now let's go ahead and test this real quick and see if it works. Okay, enter first number 12, enter second number 3, and it gives us an answer of 4. So this works fine. But if we run it again and we go 12, and for a denominator we give it 0, remember you can't divide by 0, it gives you an exception like this. So this pretty much shuts down our whole program. And what if we built a huge program for analyzing the stock market and it was awesome, and then some idiot tried to divide by 0 and the whole thing just shut down? Well, that wouldn't be good. So we need a way to kind of handle these errors and tell the user, alright, don't do that, but we're not going to shut down the program, we're actually going to fix your problem. Well, in order to handle exceptions, you need to learn something called try and catch. What try and catch means is pretty much just like it is. You try a bit of code, and if you have an error, instead of shutting down your program, you're going to catch that error and do something with it. So here's how you do this.